So I've got a very interesting question from an old school friend that's just completed my 5 by 5 program, Brandon. And so it's the program. It's 5 different diet plans, 5 days each, and you cycle through them. So he asked me after completing the 5 by 5, and he says his results were really, really good. You'd like to redo it again, can he? Of course you can. And he asked me, should he maybe take a break, just to like reset the body again before he does the program again? I said to him, no, you don't have to, because this kind of fat loss program, or it's actually a lifestyle. Um, we actually look at all the hormones that you need to have elevated to keep the metabolism on its toes. So some days, on one day, we do a refeed. We actually increase carbohydrate intake. Okay, there we look at leptin levels. Then we got 3 days where we do low carbs, with carbs in the evening for some people, not everybody. We call it carb backloading. And then obviously one of the days is what we call time restricted eating, not fasting, time restricted eating on day 1. Day 2, 3, 4, this is what you do. And then day 5, we do a refeed. And obviously every 5th evening is a cheat meal. So then there's lots of food, then there's not a lot of food. Then the carbs are low, then the carbs are high. So the metabolism doesn't actually get time to adjust and, oh, I know what you're doing. I know what you're up to, and the results just start slowing down. And that's the problem with most diets is you're going to be doing this diet consistently for the next 3 months. And then the results start going down and down and down. And that is because your metabolism adjusts, because after about 5 to 7 days on these calorie restricted diets, then the leptin hormone in your fat cells starts dropping, which then obviously affects your thyroid, and there's half of your metabolism gone within 5 to 7 days of this calorie restricted diet. So when you're restricting calories on a fucking diet from healthy food, that's the stupidest thing I've ever heard in my life. When you restrict calories, eat less ice cream, okay. But to go and eat less chicken and less eggs and less steak and less avo and less sweet potato, you're looking for trouble. So I hope this helps anybody out there. And if you might be interested in signing up for my 5 by 5 program, drop me a message and then we can get you going. You guys take care.